Hi there, so let's take a look at the Bosch GBH18V-26 cordless SDS max drill. You can see cordless, it is about 2.6 joules of energy. It comes in about 3.6 kilos, I think it is. 92 decibels, so it depends on when you use it. So it's got an impact rating of about 12.5 meters per second squared, which means you can use it for just shy of 20 minutes to the lower safe limit on the health and safety scale, or for I think about just shy of an hour 20 for the absolute max. Now, the interesting thing about this one is about 3.6 kilos, so half the weight of the Makita that I showed you on a different video, and about a quarter of the impact energy. Right, this is about 8 joules, this is about 2.6. The question is then, why would you use this one and not the Makita? Well, obviously it's portability. As you see, I can happily wave it around with one hand. But this is for the occasional hole. If you're doing continuous drilling, then you want to be looking for something with a much better vibration rating on it, such as the big Makita that I showed on a previous video. So anyway, let's move waffling. Let's drill some holes. You can see that, that drill bit gets really hot, by the way. As you can see there, nice tidy holes. It's a good, powerful drill, does exactly what it's meant to do. If you're going to fix something to a wall, in my case more than likely I'm going to be fixing a back box into a hole. Speaking of which, let's chase out a back box. Well, hope that was useful. See you on the next one. Bye bye. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thanks. See you on the next one.